Donna Sparks here with a Vortex tutorial for you. Someone has requested this tutorial looking at how can we get smoother vortexes. So let's start with learning the vortex and then looking at how we can get it a little bit smoother. It's going to be in two parts because there's two different types of vortexes that are possible. It all comes down to the hand grip. I teach both of these in my classes and different people find different ones easier. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to start standing inside the hoop. We're going to grip really hard with one hand behind the bum in the center. So palm to bum, gripping on here. Vortexes are much smoother if you turn with them. So turn in the direction that you hoop in. I'm holding the hoop in my right hand. I'm going to turn to my left. And as I turn, I'm going to bring my hand up the side of my body and in front of my face, up. And then when you get to the top, you need to loosen off the grip a little bit because if you don't, you get stuck here and you can't get it off. So what happens is as the hoop comes up and you get stuck, you're going to loosen this grip just a little bit so that you can flick the hoop up and off. So palm to bum, gripping the hoop. We're going to turn as the hand comes up, and at the top, we're going to loosen off just enough to push the hoop up to here. So the hoop is now outside the body, in front of the face. Pinky to pinky grip, so palms facing towards your face. Gripping with the second hand, we're going to keep on turning. The thumb turns in towards the head. So now the hoop is like a halo above you, and as you bring this hand down behind the bum, just here, down behind the bum, we end up where we started, gripping on with the first hand. Turn and lift, relax the grip enough to get the hoop off, change hands, pinky to pinky, hoop is out in front of the body just here, turning the hand in so that the hoop becomes a halo, and as you continue turning, you bring that hand down behind the bum. If you grip too hard, you probably will find you can't really move. So there's this fine line between gripping hard enough to stabilize the hoop and help keep it flat, and also letting the arms travel. Let's have a look in slow-mo from here, starting palm to bum. And real time. If I don't turn, you'll notice that the hoop tends to hang. It gets heavier. The less momentum in the hoop, the heavier it's going to get. So if I don't turn, I have to really work quite hard with my arms and my grip strength to get the hoop around. If you turn with it, you'll find it becomes a lot lighter. Up nice and close, just so you can see the hand grip, palm to bum, coming up. When we get to here and you get stuck, that's when you need to loosen the grip enough. So kind of almost open your hand a little bit to help get it from the stuck position, up and off, and then switch in the second hand and bring the hoop over the head and down. Coming up, change, coming down, change. You can see that the faster that you go, the smoother that the hoop will become into that vortex. Also, the dizzier you might become. If you do get dizzy, plant your feet firmly on the ground, balls of the feet stay stuck, and the heels bounce up and down. And just settle all that liquid in the brain and get the dizzy to stop. Fix up your hair. That is the vortex. If you liked it, please do share it. You can find me on Facebook at HoopSparks, Instagram at Donna Sparks, and my website is hoopsparks.com. Thanks for watching.